G'day, it's Bobby. Look, I just thought I'd give you a rundown on what's happening today on our ride. I want to ride, it's a nice sunny day here in North Carlton. Not a lot of breeze, although it's one of those days where it looks like rain could blow in at any time. Today we're going to ride down the Moonee Pond Creek, which borders along the Tullamarine Freeway, and from there I'm going to connect up to the city trail. The city trail will take me across Melbourne behind the zoo. It sort of covers around the Melbourne CBD. It'll take me across to Nicholson Street, Carlton, where there's a beautiful bike shop that I love to visit, and I want to test ride one of their bikes. Anyway, this will probably take the best part of 3/4 of an hour to possibly an hour to get there. So I'll leave you on, and we're on our way. See ya. I'll keep talking as we go. Just head up with the I've got the helmet. Put the dog inside. Come on, inside. Otherwise she'll follow me. And the gloves are going on now. I hope you can hear me all right. And we're backing out. We've got the bike. We're wheel to the front gate. I'll have to obviously switch it on. This is the power assist wallering. Glasses come off. Reading glasses. Okay. I haven't got the charge on the battery that I should have, but I think that'll get me there and back. Okay. It's a bit of breeze. Hear the breeze, it's whistling through my ears. Riding along Renown Street in North Essendon. Now riding down Keilor Road. We're in a bike lane, so we should have some form of safety on the road if we're sticking to the rules. Okay. Keilor Road. It's a bit of a trip down Keilor Road. I'm heading down the direction of the bike path. The Moonee Ponds Creek bike path that will take us down into Flemington Road, and it takes us underneath Flemington Road onto the other connecting bike path, which is the City Trail. So, I mean, once we're on those bike paths, there's no dealing with traffic, which is great. Now I've got a tram going by me. It's pretty hairy, but you know it's not coming off the tracks. Have a look at it. Oh! It's going to stop shortly. There's a stop just up here, so no, there's no one at the stop. So if I can stay with the tram, I'll get the roundabout, which is, it'd have to be the worst roundabout in Melbourne. This one, it's big and it's dangerous. But the tram's going to cause the traffic to pull up. And I'm going to be able to get across. Here we go. Let's see. Yes. Yes. Oh, that was good. That was lucky. Riding now through the North Essendon Strip shopping centre. Another roundabout. Okay, riding down towards Strathmore Station. Down the end of this street, it's Glass Street. It was at one point quoted as one of the nicest streets in Essendon. I don't know about today, but it's a bit subjective. It's all a matter of opinion, but it's a nice street. Some beautiful old homes. I hope you're able to see some of them. Might actually, the way we're going, even ride past Essendon Footy Club, or the old Essendon football ground known as Windy Hill. That we will. I'll make sure we ride past Windy Hill. Nothing on the roundabout, so I can enter. Signalling, go right. Over the City Railway line here.
roundabout. Okay. We're now riding towards Windy Hill. And there you can probably see the grandstand now. There's the front entrance. The bomber shop. So they sell all the merch. Used to be the main entrance. It's now Community Oval, and it's also a big gymnasium. Windy Hill Fitness Centre, right here on my left now. I'm going to stay away from the traffic down there and turn left here, up alongside the other street bound to Windy Hill. There's the Bowls Club. I reckon a bit of the history is that the Bowls Club wouldn't move and prevented from Windy Hill expanding their premises, and that's the reason they went out to the new site in Tullamarine. Another roundabout. Go around here down to Fletcher Street. This is a beautiful little street. Back of Penley Grammar, the junior school. On my right, Penley Essendon Grammar. Probably in the vicinity of 25,000 a year to send a child there. A bit of cash. Okay, we're now heading down Fletcher. We're riding along the outside. Beautiful street this. This is the route the trams take to head into town. Excuse me, I've got to... hang on. When you're riding, it tends to free up a lot of your nasal congestion. I get a bit of dust from the work I do, I think, so I feel good about cleaning it out. Okay, so we're riding down to Pascoe Road here now. Pascoe Road. We are not far away at all from the entrance to the bike park that takes us into the city. Mind you, we're not going all the way into town. We're getting off. We're getting off at Flemington Road. We've got to wait for the lights here. Oh, a bit of peace and quiet. Okay, we're off again. We're now across Pascoe Road there. I think now, I'm surprised if this is sort of West Brunswick. It's probably still turned this until we get over the creek. But we're not going to go over the creek, we're going to go alongside down the bottom. Just down the bottom of this hill here, which is beautiful. coming, some were right. Another rider, gee, she's brave. Probably at about 40k an hour at the moment. We're going to have to come to a stop because there's traffic behind me. Joggers. Thanks, mate. It's a popular bike path, jogging path, walking path. I feel like with the earplugs in and talking into the microphone, others can hear me. I must be talking real loud. Passing. Oh! Okay, the creek's down to my left. It's got a bit of energy in it too, real water flow. My word, it's hardly a creek, it's more like a river today. I don't know whether you can see it, right? You can see the flow there of that rounding the bend. Passing. Okay. Yeah, Moonee Pond's creek's alive and well. Taking all the rain that we've had out here down to out into the Port Phillip Bay. Runs down through Kensington, past Footscray Road, down into the docklands. That system there that runs into the bay. Oh, it's horrible going to that bridge. It's really dark. The big wall on the right is the Tullamarine Freeway. So this bike path's been added to over the years by the widening and construction of the freeway. Transurban. They put charges on it, of course. The bike path's beautiful. It just takes away that having to ride with traffic, and it's a beautiful area through here too. Like the trees on the left, just magnificent, all parklands. And over that side would be definitely Brunswick or West Brunswick. Another rider coming head on. nice being out riding. We're travelling, cruising along at about 24 k's an hour. I always have to pedal with this bike. It's called a pedal assist, so it's not a throttle electric bike, it's one where you've got to pedal. Thank you. And the motor allows you to go. It takes it easy on the pedalling. It sort of helps you, it assists you. We had to go under a tunnel close to the river running. You can see it there now, hopefully. Walkers, joggers, riders. Now up this hill, we're about to hit the Moonee Valley Bowling Club. On our right, and straight ahead of us is the new club rooms for the Moonee Valley cricket club, and my boys play against them in the Essendon District Football League. The soccer club's also there, the Essendon Royals. Passing. He was moving along, that fella. I reckon he may well have been a footballer. You tend to think that living around here, there's a lot of them live around here, play for Essendon. Locally, there's a lot of footy clubs around the area. Passing. Passing, sort of about doing the right thing, I suppose. Market garden over there. Right. Passing. See now the yellow sticks, the entrance to the city. I think it was a Jeff Kennett creation. Or idea. To have those built, the yellow one and the red ones on the right of them, which you'll see shortly, is to signify the end of the Tullamarine Freeway and the entrance to Melbourne, beautiful Melbourne, #1 city in the world. It's been the case for a few years actually. Parkland on the right, just beautiful. A lot of dogs, people with their dogs. Lovely. Beautiful bike ride. The creek's now within the channel in the middle there. It generally breaks that channel if it's really raining hard. Bit of noise preventer. Great spot. We're just a great spot. There's the red ones above us. City towers here on the right, just residential towers that they've built. It's a popular high density way of living today. It's the back of them. The front entrance is on Mount Alexander Road. When we get down to the bottom here, it's connecting up with Flemington Road. There's the city link here above us. City link roadway. It's raised, magnificent. We're going to ride under Flemington Road now, or under Mount Alexander. Yeah, it was nice. That bike park was really nice. Now we're heading to the city trail. Straight ahead is Flemington Road. Passing. Big hill. Now we're riding over Flemington Station's platform, which is raised. Okay, now we're heading direction of east towards Carlton. Well before then we're going to be going along the back of the zoo park for Passing.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I haven't talked much to you, sorry. It's parks. It's quite a climb, this hill. Passing. Dreams around the Royal Park. Okay. City Trail. Okay, let's just go across here. Royal Park Golf Course, those boys play, which is very inner city. Fantastic spot. Back at the zoo is over here to my right. Beautiful. We're now entering beautiful oval. Green. But we have to cross over. We'll go underneath. Walk away. Capital City Trail it's called. Going under it now. This is a wide road. Passing. 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 Okay. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful ride this. Trying to think what area we'd be in now. Probably used to be an old tram line run through here. They closed it and turned it into parkland, free space, open space. Beautiful job. Great thing to do because it's a densely populated area anyway. North Carlton it is. This is North Carlton railway station. So that's where we're riding, North Carlton. Numbers of people. There's so many people. Okay. Hey. Okay. Not far now, we'll be down to the bike shop I'm chasing. That's where I bought the bike. And passing. Hoping they've got a bike I can test ride. Passing. Coburg's about 5k to my left. They got some works. Sorry. Little fella on his bike just going in any direction. Here it is. On the old tram track, they've built little homes. Beautiful little homes, they are tiny. And coffee shop at the back of the bike shop. It's always popular. This is Nicholson Street. We're approaching Nicholson Street. North Carlton still, I suppose. Ah, they're not open. Can you believe it? Ah. I'm going to take you around so you can see that. Hope you can see the name of the building. There we go. That's where I've ridden to. And it's closed. So, looks like next time. But that's the ride today. It was a good ride. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that old button if you want to keep seeing more. See ya.